Let me show you how to close your Wise account. If you don't use or don't want to use the Wise account anymore and you want to permanently delete all of your data along with the account, in this video let me show you how. Now before you head over to the closure section, make sure you remove all of the currency or the amount that you may have inside of your Wise account. So move it to a safe place, whether it be to your bank account or some other accounts that you've added in or linked with your Wise. Once that step is complete, you can head over to the profile section, scroll down, and underneath the actions and agreements, you'll have the option called close account. Just tap on this option and it's going to ask you to download the statements and receipts that you may have inside of your Wise account. If you already downloaded them, you can tap on the start account closure option. This way you just need to follow a few steps, which are going to be easy steps, such as you need to add in a reason for closing your account and agree to the closure of your account. Once you follow these simple on-screen prompts, your account of Wise will be closed or deleted. So that's all there is in closing your account of Wise. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos just like this.